Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of disabled account on the application of NFL. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps and you will click here. Then this page of apps, as you see, you will go to above and you can search about NFL. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another